Hey guys, this is the first look of the HPC Scout Pro. So this thing has a lot of upgrades over the normal Scout, and I want to go over a few of the upgrades that make this thing special. So we have the SRAM EX1 drivetrain, which is an 8-speed e-bike specific drivetrain, the first in the industry, and it has an 11 to 48 tooth ratio, so you have the capability of high speed and high torque all in one system. Now it has a forged CNC tool steel cassette, so it's ultra robust and strong. Scout Pro also has quad piston Magura MT7e hydraulic disc brakes, front and rear, with 180mm rotors, and that is a large upgrade over the standard Scout with the MT4e dual piston brakes. A lot more stopping power with the MT7s. We have the Spank Spike pedals, which are high-end pedals on the Scout Pro. The motor system on the Scout Pro is pretty cool because it is a magnesium motor, and it saves 1.5 pounds over the standard Scout motor, which is pretty substantial. The Scout Pro also features the DVO Garnet dropper seat post, and that is actuated via cable right here on your right hand side, and you can drop it to descend or raise it up to climb or have better pedal stroke. The frame itself is the same robust US made frame from 6061 T6 aluminum, handmade, hand welded, powder coated, heat treated right here in California, and we're really proud of it. Up front we have the Renthal Carbon Fiber Fatbar, and it's a 35mm carbon fiber, super lightweight, strong bar, along with the Renthal Integra stem. Cane Creek 110 series headset is made in the USA and is a sealed ball bearing headset, and that's a big upgrade over the Cane Creek 40 series on the normal Scout. The suspension is from DVO. It is a DVO Diamond, and it is factory tuned from DVO, which is really special. We tune it to the rider's weight. We give it to DVO, give them the specs. They have the Scout geometry, and they will custom tune it to the rider's weight. And the wheels are a lot higher end on the Scout Pro. We have the Maxxis Minion DHR/DHF tires, which are 27.5 plus tires. We have the Spank Uzi rims. They're 27.5 plus rims. They're Uzi 395s. And then we have the SRAM 900 series hubs, which are a big upgrade over the normal Scout. And there's your first look at the Scout Pro. Something cool about the Scout Pro that we also offer are increased power levels. If you want to go crazy, we can go beyond the 750, 1500, and 2000 watt of the normal Scout. We can go 2500 with a 63 volt battery. We can go 3000 watt with a 74 volt battery system. And then we can also do a custom battery if you want ultra long range beyond the 40-mile max range of the 48 volt, 17.5 amp hour. We can go all the way up to an 80-mile range battery. So here you have it, first look of the Scout Pro.